Menteri katanat kakoi kekya ubak wailat miki shla ulaong baka sorkar Jylla katho sha Menteri rang bakdu kari Narendra Modi ba unwan pli ya ka Shillong Medical College namar ka jingshim kelas na kabenta ka first year MBBS kelas dang. Kadi ka jing ang nut jong ki pat ba nong shong shnong ka Meghalaya bandan la ka jong ka Medical College. Kadi ka jing job ka bakraw ya ka Jylla kumta ngi kwa ba Menteri rang bakdu kari bo unwan pli no eka ong uba wailat habakren shakilat sai kubor haga khatwe tarik jamang. Ula kubur bahagi por baladam lapan baj artli ki tarik Henry omsham lala ban pen urlong nai ki daw ki bamla ban kiar kumta hakan ni kinti ngidang am ya ka jingkut no jong barok ki election bat ngin sa tho biang sha Menteri rang bakdo. Uba wailat ula ong baka sorkar Jylla ka kermen banyo ban plino ya ka Medical College menta usnam watla ka syong ha ka jinglat jong Menteri rang bakdo. Ngikwa ban pen kloy no ya ka nakakam namar ki kelas jong ka first year kelas dang. Ka National Medical Commission kala ajing menjur ban sedang shwa san potali seed MBBS na kabenta ka batch ka baningkong. Ka Medical Council kalawan ban khmi bania halur ka jingbit jingbyang bat hadin kala ai ka jingmenjur ban sedang shwa san phongot ki samla puli ong uba wailat. Hakabaya day bat katura Medical College Menteri ula ong baka sorkar hakabas dang kala jit banyai da ka PPP model namar ka jingduna jong kinong hikai. Kumba pitip wat banyo nong hikai na kabenta san phongot ki samla puliru kalong kabasham shitom shibun. Nakabenta katura kalong shispa san phongot day nakataka daw bangila jit banyai da ka PPP ula ong. Henry namar ka jingjor jong ka jingdawa na ki ba namar ka jingyo I ka jing turekam jong ka Shillong Medical College kum ka jaka pulis sorkar kum ta makiru kila dawa ban penong ya katura Medical College kum ka college ba penyai da ka sorkar ong uba wailat. Ula ong ngila persyang ban pensyai Henry ki ba ki kwat ya ka kum ka Medical College ka sorkar. Kumba nginget baka day nakabenta upat ba ngila perkhat bangin persyang bat ngila rai ban penlong kum ka Medical College jong ka sorkar. Kajing pen benalat kam nong hikai bat Professor Hatura Medical College kadang ya shkman. Ngikwa bakan trekam no mentau usnam bat ban sedang no ya kajing shim kelas na du ka samay puli banwan kata kabasyong halor kajing pendap ya kajing penrong kam nong hikai bat hadien kata ngin sala ban pentik na ulaong. Hakabaya day bat ki jingtay Menteri ula ong bakila dapan khot kattu kat nitali ki tender na kabenta ka Shillong Medical College. Kidon kattu kat ni ki tender ki bala pelat namar ngitip baka de ka project ka bahe bat ka badan kam shibun ki jingtay ula ong. Na kabenta ki first year ki jingtay ki bala don lupa ki lala ban penbiang ula ong. Ngila dap khot kattu kat ni ki tender na kabenta ki jingdon kam jong ka Shillong Medical College kum ki madan yelek kai bat ki wei ki jingdon kam Henry ka bangila don kam kerki ka de ka building ka bahe haba benra bakatanat kala khot ya ka expressions of interest ha ubnai baladam ban penkre ya ka detailed project report DPR. Na kalyang Menteri rang ba ka Jylla ula penthikna ya nga ban pendap no kloy kat bala ya ka DPR le se ngimla ban le shisin le Henry ngin le ki benta namar ngidon kam ki jingtay ki bahe ong uba wailan.
Like aspiration of the people of Meghalaya to have its own medical college. So it's a big achievement and it's a big thing for the state. So that's why we want that for this particular function, we would like the Honorable Prime Minister to come and inaugurate it himself. No doubt in the past also, I think in 2 instances he has given the date, but due to unavoided circumstances, he couldn't come. So this time also again, like we were waiting for all the election to get over, and now we again will approach him for the dates. No, see, that I cannot say because it's depend on his availability. So definitely it's up to him. But we would like to if it can be done as soon as possible, it will be better for us because we would like to do it by this year itself. Because as you all know that the classes already started for the first year. So that's why as soon as possible. But that also since we are talking about Prime Minister, so it's up to him. It is like we got the permission for 50 numbers because the medical council, they come and check accordingly, then they will give the permission. So for now we have got the permission for 50 numbers of students. As you all know that no doubt in the past, because we have actually during the process of making the Shillong Medical College operationalized, also we have faced the challenges of getting the professors and all. So that's why we thought that it's better to go with a PPP mode for Tura Medical College, because as you know, even getting this faculty for 50 numbers of students also is quite challenging. So now, as you all know, Tura is will be 150, but so that's why then we opt for this PPP mode. But later on, that I think the people, because after seeing that the Shillong Medical College has started as government medical college, so they also want Tura also want it to be a government run medical college. So no doubt we try to explain them, try to share them with all the challenges, but still the people like really want to see it as a government medical college. So that's why like we thought that we really, I mean, like ultimately it is for the people. So why not we give it a try? So that's why we later on then we decided that we'll go for the government medical college. Then that's why now we have floated the advertisement for the professors, for this faculty, for the Tura Medical College. See, we want to operationalize it by this year, means like by next session we want to take the student. So that depend, like we have to see, we'll know only after the completion of this the recruitment of this faculty only. So whether we'll have the number or not, then only we'll be able to say that. But otherwise, government is committed to make it operationalized by next session.